Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to get dark mode in WhatsApp. Yes. Now let's see how to get. First of all, click WhatsApp application. In this you can see a three-dot icon is there. Click it in the topmost right corner, this one. And here you can see system setting is there. Click the setting option and go to chat option, which is in the second option, chats. Click it, and here you can see the first option, themes is having. This is used for dark mode. Click it and click dark and click OK. Once you click this, your WhatsApp will be in dark mode. Yes, now you can see now your WhatsApp is in dark mode, and click it once again. Go to chat, and here you can see wallpaper is available. Click it. It consists of gallery, wallpaper library, default, no wallpaper. You can set wallpaper by using this, and also the font size is there. Click it. Medium, small, large. Yes, you can see now. So this is how to make dark mode in WhatsApp. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.